Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video on how to make $150 per day. And what we're going to discuss today is, what is it in my hair? Give me 1 second. What we're going to discuss today is basically one of the easiest methods that I found, especially for someone new online that really don't have a following, that have not built a list, but they're looking to make money consistently online. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways. So if you were looking at my thumbnail, I talk about slamming traffic, and I just want to discuss basically what that means and what you're looking at when people say slamming traffic or running traffic, what that really means and what you have to really put in your head when you're thinking about traffic, because traffic is the blood of your business. If you don't have traffic, if you don't have enough eyeballs looking at your opportunity, you're not going to make money. And most of the marketing gurus out there, well, all of them that are earning consistently, they are purchasing or have a lot of traffic running to their link using social media, solo ad providers. They may be running Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. They're probably running YouTube videos, whatever it is. You need to always have traffic running to your link. And people think that, running traffic, you're losing out money. What if I don't make any sales? But if you have to really change your mindset in a way that you're thinking, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, this is my email here. This is me. This is my Gmail account. And I'm going to just go back to, let's just see. I'm going to just go back to December, let's say December 10th. And this is why it's so important to run traffic. What happens is, as you run traffic, things start to, your sales and signups start to increase, and you won't have to spend such a significant amount of money out of pocket, because when you run traffic, at some point, and it doesn't take a long time to do this, you're going to start to see where you have opt-ins and signups coming in on a consistent basis, the more traffic that you run. And then you're going to start to see people upgrade through your system, as long as you're promoting the right product, okay, or the right service, because you could be promoting something that nobody wants to take a look at, and then you're wasting money. But with this system, I'm going to show you that it works and how to use it and how much money I've made, how consistent it is, okay? And if you go to some of my older videos that I have uploaded on YouTube, you'll see where I have proof of payments over week after week after week. And all I'm doing is slamming traffic. I use the follow-up series that came with the autoresponder that came with the Power Lead system, and I send out information about the Power Lead system and how to become a member. So, going back as far as December 10th, I had 84 opt-ins, which I ran traffic. I'm not running a lot of traffic, but I'm running enough to get signups and sales consistently. And over the last couple of weeks, I haven't ran traffic because of the holidays, and I've been doing things with family, but I will be running traffic again in the weeks to come. But here you see I have 84 opt-ins. On December 10th, I had 2 fast start bonuses. For those that don't know, fast start bonuses are $400 commissions. So I had 2 of them. So that was an $800 commission on the 10th. I had a lead member that came in on the 10th. I had 2 diamond members. Each diamond member is $100. You pay a one-time fee of $147, and then you get unlimited $100 commissions. So here I had 2 $100 commissions. On the 11th, I had 6 gold members. Those are $20 residual incomes, residual commissions that come in. I had 6 of them. So $120 came in on the 11th from my gold members. Then I had another diamond on the 11th, 2 golds on the 11th. On the 12th, I had 17 opt-ins, which means 17 people looked at my information. They looked at my capture page, and then I had 2 diamond members come in. So that's $200. Now, people ask me, well, how much does it cost to run traffic? You can start as low as $75, and then you can go as high as hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I spend on any given week, I can spend $200 to $350 for the week. But as you can see, it balances out because I'm in the profit every time that I run traffic. Now, does it start off that way? Not all the time. But the more that you do it, the more consistent that it is, you will start to see where your profits are outweighing the amount that you're putting into traffic. And that's what you want. You want to make sure that one outweighs the other. So on the 12th, I had 2 diamond members. On the 13th, I had a diamond member. On the 14th, I had 5 gold members. On the 15th, another diamond member. And then look, guys, again on the 15th, I had 2 fast start bonuses. So that's another $800 in commissions that I received. Okay. And then what I'm doing is just taking like $250 of that, $300 of that. I pump it into more traffic. Okay, because I'm building a list. Right now, I'm in the process of building a list. I never had a list. I've been online since 2015. I never had a list, and I'm now building a list. Okay, I started this year building a list. For all those that are up, Happy New Year's for tomorrow. So then on the 16th, I had a gold member, another gold member. And as you can see, the gold members come in, and every so often I get another fast start bonus. So I had one here on the 21st. That's another $400. On the 22nd, another $400. And basically, you know, it just keeps getting better with time. If you go up to, as far as today I had a $400 commission. And yesterday I had the day before yesterday, I had a $400 commission here. So I'm only showing you this not to brag, but to let you know that anyone can do this from home. If you have the right system, the Power Lead system is what I use. It's a great system. I have a group that I put together to show people how to utilize the system, how to set up their funnels step by step. If I can do it, anyone can do it. It's really simple to do, and it's an easy system to duplicate. So, you know, if you want to send me a friend request and get more information, my information is in the description below. You can also send me a Facebook friend request, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you may have. But going into the new year, if you need something that's newbie friendly, that's easy to duplicate, this is the system that you want to take a look at. And you want to get started. There's going to be a lot of people looking at home-based business opportunities, ways to make money online, and this will be the perfect opportunity for them to do so. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys for the new year. Have a great night.